I know you have been looking for ways to make money online and you have come to the right place. In this video, we will be learning a new method of earning through PayPal by simply liking and enjoying recording or watching videos online. What a convenient and easy way to learn, right? But make sure you don't miss anything important. So stay with me as we go. This is also fantastic because it is available to everyone regardless of where they are in the world and it requires no skills or no experience at all. Just a disclaimer though, this will not make you instantly wealthy, but it will undoubtedly assist you in paying your bills. So please stick with me until the end. Before you go further to this video, welcome to Discover Unix. Here we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, today I'll be introducing you a new website called rapidworkers.com. Just type rapidworkers.com into your browser and as it says on their homepage, RapidWorkers is a crowdsourced carrier with over 100,000 employees. It also states that they assist individual small groups and professionals in creating low-cost exposure and advertising and marketing campaigns to boost sales and improve their ranking backlinks. If you want to work on their website, go to the micro jobs that they have available. Pick the activity that you enjoy and the tasks that you want to complete, then submit proof and you will earn money through this website which you can cash out using PayPal. Now I'm gonna show you how you can sign up. Click this button to be taken to the page where you must fill out all of the required information including your name, email address, password and country. As you can see from the list of countries, they are willing to accept candidates from all over the world, demonstrating that this technique is well worth investigating. After that, you must confirm or verify that you are not a robot and you are essentially done with setting up your account. Remember the rules that they have set for you and make it a point to follow them, so that you can spend more time on the site. For example, you are not permitted to use VPN or any other type of hidden IP program. You are not permitted to use multiple records with the same IP. You are not permitted to use shared or public Wi-Fi. You are also not permitted to use the same IP with different sites. You are not allowed to handle tasks related to a country you are not from. So make sure you follow all the rules. Remember, if you break any of the rules, you could be banned. So don't waste your time trying to deceive the system. Again, once you have completed your profile, they will ask you to confirm your email. Go to your email box and click the link they have sent you. Before we go any deeper, I will give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to our work and earn some money. You can now check your record and simply sign it as shown on your dashboard. And at the top of that, you can monitor many things such as the withdrawals and a variety of other things. So here are some things that I have been forgotten to mention. You can actually get paid $1 to $5 just for signing up, and the earning potential on this site is absolutely incredible. Furthermore, as we can see when you look through the page, there are various tasks that you can do each with its own installments. They are all very simple and you can see that each of them only requires you minutes of your time. Keep an eye out for tasks that aren't marked global or named by the country of our starting point, as it is a scam. Keep an eye out for the international one, especially if you recall that our center will be handling tasks that require you to like videos. So in the search bar here, type YouTube and click on this button, which you can sort positions by how much money you can earn by completing them. Simply click on that. We will be able to see the most profitable assignments. Let's take a closer look at these tasks. It will pay us this amount of money if we do it in this amount of time, and as you can see, it will link us to this page where we can read all of the information we need to finish. All you have to do now is follow the instruction to complete the assignment and you will be paid when you are through, and that's it. If you love similar type of content, like this video and take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.